centuries, mankind has symbolized natural growth and nourishment, cycling through year after year in forms of a green man. The history of green man symbolism reaches deep into the past. Painted, carved into cave walls, megaliths, cathedrals, and even green man folklore exist as modern-day archetypes. Since before the dawn of measured time, the green man has been about his business, not of war, but of accommodation to sustain long generations of farming cultures. To call it a physical cycle seems to limit its scope and universality. The green man is a watcher, watching over our gardens and homes all over the world. The earliest lore dates back 600 centuries to 4000 BC.
Symbols record the gambit of human development and are a source of wisdom, knowledge, and global history. Around 4000 BC, during the warm Atlantic period, the Indo-European language was spread with the construction of stone observatories like Stonehenge, becoming a continental utility, just as the English language is now spread through the global utilities like air traffic control.
Following food and crops, cattle-rustling northern Celtic culture traveled the Andronova corridor, merging with the goddesses' agricultural way of life, resulting in a war of accommodation, as the two lifestyles learned to live and thrive together. The green man is a farmer. Heretofore farming had been predominantly a feminine activity. The green man combines Mother Nature with male features, symbolizing the steppe warrior becoming a plowboy, a male farmer.
The symbol of the man in the garden has come to represent the hope of new crops and rebirth in the sense that vegetation is reborn each spring. He also reminds us of the relationship we have with the plant kingdom, that of the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide necessary for life.
There are countless numbers of these green man symbols found all over the world, dating back thousands of years. The green man is ever present, everywhere. The green man is a proliferous symbol still used today. Popular characters Pan or Puck and Bacchus all are from European centuries long past. Peter Pan, even the Jolly Green Giant. And yes, the Incredible Hulk can be traced back through the Green Man.
The name Green Man was coined by Lady Raglan in 1939 in her article, The Green Man in Church Architecture. The name stuck and became a popular name for British pubs. The Jack of the Green figure is associated with new growth in spring and with May Day celebrations.
New images or old, the symbol of the green man lives on. Thousands of years, hundreds of generations have added and subtracted from his meaning, but one thing remains. As long as humans walk the earth, the green man will be watching.